Welcome to the zone of healing meditation with Inori Sunita. We are doing the meditation series of Navratri Sadhana. Today, the second day of Ma Brahmacharini, the second goddess of Navratri. Let's begin the meditation. Spine straight. Relax your body. Relax your mind. Inhale deeply. Exhale slowly. Now listen. Listen and connect with Ma Brahmacharini. Ma Brahmacharini is worshipped on the second day of Navratri. She represents tapasya, devotion, and wisdom. Her name comes from Brahma, meaning divine knowledge, and Acharani, meaning one who practice, symbolizing a seeker of spiritual truth. Her symbolism: she wears a simple white sari, symbolizing purity and austerity. Holds a japa mala in her right hand, representing continuous meditation. Carries a kamandala in her left hand, signifying renunciation. She walks barefoot, symbolizing determination and self-discipline. Mythological significance of Ma Brahmacharini. Ma Brahmacharini is the incarnation of Goddess Parvati from her past life to marry Lord Shiva. She understood extreme penance for thousands of years, surviving on leaves, fruits, and later on nothing at all. Pleased with her devotion, Lord Shiva accepted her as his divine consort, leading to their sacred union. This story teaches us about patience, perseverance, and unwavering faith in one's goal. Spiritual meaning and connection to Swadhisthana Chakra. Ma Brahmacharini is linked to the Swadhisthana Chakra, which governs emotions, creativity, and self-discipline. Her energy helps in strengthening self control and determination, overcoming challenges and hardships with patience, deepening spiritual growth through meditation and devotion. Let's pray to Ma Brahmacharini. Let's receive the Ma Brahmacharini blessing. Inhale deeply, exhale slowly. I am disciplined. I am disciplined. I am disciplined. Patience and devotee of Ma Brahmacharini. Divine energies fill me with wisdom and strength now. Ma Brahmacharini's divine energy fills me with wisdom and strength now. Lessons from Ma Brahmacharini we should learn, we should keep in our mind always. Patience lead to success. Discipline and devotion help achieve the highest goals. Spiritual wisdom is the key to inner peace. Om Ma Brahmacharini Devyai Namaha. Inhale deeply, exhale slowly. Inhale deeply, exhale slowly. Now connect with the Brahmacharini Ma blessing. Her shower of blessings we are receiving. We are blessed with the power of Ma Brahmacharini now. Open, receive, utilize. Open, receive, utilize. Let the shower flow upon to your body, mind and soul. Inhale deeply, exhale slowly. Let us energize our all 7 chakra with the blessings of Ma Brahmacharini. Inhale deeply, exhale slowly. I am grounded, stable and secure. I am grounded, stable and secure. Ma Brahmacharini gives me the strength to walk my spiritual path with confidence. Inhale deeply, exhale slowly. Connect with your inner self and say, I embraced self-discipline and divine purity now. I embrace self-discipline and divine purity now. I embrace self-discipline and divine purity now. Ma Brahmacharini blesses me with emotional balance and creative energy now. Inhale deeply, exhale slowly. Inhale deeply, exhale slowly. I am determined, disciplined and fearless. I am determined, disciplined, and fearless. I am determined, disciplined, and fearless. Ma Brahmacharini's energy fills me with inner power and confidence now. Inhale deeply, exhale slowly. My heart is open to divine love and selfless devotion. My heart is open to divine love and self devotion. My heart is open to divine love and selfless devotion. Ma Brahmacharini fills me with compassion and grace now. Inhale deeply, exhale slowly. Inhale, exhale, connect with your inner self. I speak my truth with clarity and wisdom. I speak my truth with clarity and wisdom. Ma Brahmacharini guides me towards divine knowledge and spiritual speech. Inhale deeply, exhale slowly. Inhale deeply, exhale slowly. My intuition is strong and trust my inner wisdom. My intuition is strong and I trust my inner wisdom. My intuition is strong and I trust my inner wisdom. Ma Brahmacharini enhance my spiritual vision and clarity now. Ma Brahmacharini enhance my spiritual vision and clarity now. Inhale deeply, exhale slowly. Inhale deeply, exhale slowly. I am connected to the infinite divine energy. I am connected to the infinite divine energy. I am connected to the infinite divine energy. Ma Brahmacharini leads me towards enlightenment and inner peace now. Ma Brahmacharini leads me towards enlightenment and inner peace now. Inhale deeply, exhale slowly. Say thank you to Ma. Say thank you to Ma Brahmacharini. Thank you, Ma, for blessing us. Thank you, Ma, for healing us. Thank you, Ma, for energizing us. Say yourself, I give myself permission. All this excess energy release into my system right now. I am completely balanced now. I am completely balanced now. I am completely balanced now. Inhale, exhale, normal breathing. Come back. Smile, and you may gently open your eyes. Thank you all. Thank you all. Thank you all.